has arrived. Are you ready? Well, let's go! Hello.
So where are we going?
You know what? We're going to go
1 mile. Keep right to US 82 East.
where she said. We're going to go check out the world's largest
Shovel.
Sorry, I'm looking where I'm going here. Yep, world's largest shovel. This is going to be good. We're going to go check it out.
Then what are we going to see after that?
Geronimo's grave. That's quirky.
So
The shovel's quirky. And all this is in Wichita Falls, Texas. Not bad.
So here we go.
Be in the right lane.
In the right lane.
I'll be back. Well, we finally found
World's largest shovel.
shovel.
Say what? I hope they let us in. Go see this and catch it. When I see this, check it out.
We're just checking out the
You'll
shovel.
marvel to see it.
Boy, look how big that is. You gonna come stand next to it?
Wow, you're on camera.
Hi.
See how big it is.
This shovel stands, according to what we read, 15 feet tall and is considered the world's tallest shovel, or biggest shovel. It's pretty impressive when you see it. It's right off the highway. Now that we saw the world's largest shovel, where are we going now?
Geronimo's grave.
And that's on base?
Yeah. Fort Sill.
Fort Sill.
In Oklahoma.
Go.
Well, folks, we got a change in plans.
Slight change in
Just
plans.
like, we're still going to stay in Wichita Falls just for this one, but we're going to go see the world's smallest skyscraper. Okay. World's smallest skyscraper here in Wichita Falls. See you there.
Take the ramp on the left to US 281 North.
That is the world's smallest skyscraper. Park here. And there it is, world's smallest skyscraper. There's the sign. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the world's
This is the world's littlest skyscraper.
built in 1919.
19.
That's something else. Here in Wichita Falls. Wichita Falls, Texas. Amazing.
There's a little info here. Hopefully you can see it. You can pause it
Right.
and you can get more information.
There we go. What's that for? More information. Well, this here is Wichita Falls, Texas. Located in historic downtown.
It's kind of tricky to get to, but it's on a little alleyway. And there it is. Okay. With the world's littlest skyscraper that was built in 1919, only 4 stories tall and skinny, it was built by a con man who duped the city into believing that he would build a 40-story skyscraper. You can climb the skyscraper and access it through the Artifact Emporium antique shop next door.
Boy, what a con. That don't look like 40. It's 4.
4.
Something to do with a 0 in there somewhere. Duped what?
So,
Wichita Falls.
I'm going to show you where it's at here with the zip code. And there you have it. World's world's littlest skyscraper, built in 1919 by a con man. So what'd you think of that?
Are you kidding me?
Built by a con man. He
Duped the city.
Duped the city.
Hey, I'm gonna build you a skyscraper 40 stories high. I got this.
And what did you end up with? What did Wichita Falls end up with?
4 stories.
1919 this happened.
There's a 0 fell off.
But it's amazing to see.
Yeah? Oh, that's history. Are you kidding?
History. We got to see a piece of history. It's amazing.
Oh my God. And you know what? All this time in Wichita Falls, Texas,
We didn't know.
Never heard of this. now it's out there.
Okay, so we're going to go on to the next item we want to go see.
Geronimo's grave.
We're on our way.